Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, this video is in reference to a video I just recently made. How ways to know that you may have bed bugs. One of my viewers, my subscribers, wanted to have like a visual of some of the things that I spoke about in that video. So in this video, I'm just going to show some clips of things. I wrote some things down like bed bugs that could be like on a piece of wood. It could be a piece of furniture. On your bed, the little black spots that I spoke of in that video, how these little black dots that kind of similarly look like when roaches are nesting, and they be maybe in a corner of a wall, wherever you see little black dots. But those blood stains, and then the brown blood stains that once it dries, it turns brown. Then it shows them like on the bed where they could be nesting up in the crevices of your mattress, under the folds and things. And also the life cycle. I think I have 2 charts of the life cycle. You know, their bed bugs go through their 5 life cycles. So I'm about to show those pictures now. It's a few pictures, and definitely not nothing that I care to to look at. So anyway, it's something that you guys probably need to see if you already haven't, especially those of you that have bed bugs. Okay, so those are the clips that I have for you guys to see, and you, well, I won't call your name, but you who asked my viewer that asked to see a visual. So I hope this helps. And as far as the other things in the video, like looking in the pillowcase, up in the stitching and the folds of the bed, and flipping the furniture and stuff out there, I can't demonstrate all that. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work for anybody. But when you have bed bugs, you just got to buckle down and do it. That's all it is. You got to do it. If you want to get rid of them, you got to do what you got to do. But all the rest of the video is self-explanatory anyway. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.